In this tutorial, I want to take a look at the new break apart feature with Easy Animator Pro 1.7 and also talk about a little bit about using the text break apart as well. And we're going to do so using this cool label animation that is available to you for free as part of the free pack. It's got 25 labels here. You can see them here. And one of the reasons why I'm providing this to you is I want to show you the new kind of approach to animbits or animated pieces in graphics. What you see here is that we have a total design, and it's really all contained in one SVG file. That makes it easier to preview them. You know, see here, right here, I'm inside of Easy Animator Pro, and I'm looking at kind of the images. I can also look at the text. But if I was also in something like a File Explorer, I could, increase the icon size and make it a lot easier to preview the designs. So let me come back here, and you can see here that what I've done is I've just animated this with the preset. So very simple. Now we're going to talk about also replacing this text here in just a second. So let's go ahead and start from scratch. I'm going to go ahead and select all. By the way, I did change the background color just because of this white ribbon, just to make it easier to see. So I'm going to go ahead and remove, and notice that we can bulk remove images. So I'm going to go ahead and come over here and select that same design again. I'm going to open it. I'm going to go ahead and shift size it up. Now I want to talk about the break apart image feature here. So that's located right here. And you can see here that right now it's only one image. So if I apply a preset to that, it does kind of more of a PowerPoint kind of thing, but very basic, just all in one, everything's animating all together. But if I want to make it more interesting, I can go ahead and click on the break apart feature. And now if I apply, you see, well, let me just point out here, see all the different pieces are separated now. There's 8 different ones. One thing to point out is this is a group, and this is a group, and so forth. So this has been created inside of, I think, Adobe Illustrator, where we grouped everything according kind of logically. So they're basically grouped according to the animbits or the animation pieces. Now if I wanted to, I could break this apart. I can go ahead and click on this and break it apart as well. I'm not going to do that, but it would create new levels, and I could animate those independently as well. But now I can just come to the preset, go ahead and apply that, and I have an animation kind of similar to what we were just looking at the beginning of this tutorial. But I want to also point out how easy it is now with something like this to take the text areas and replace them. So let's go ahead and delete that. And I'm going to go click on it. Now this is another advantage I will point out. Originally in our animbits, we wanted to register them all together. We wanted them to import and kind of be in the right position. And in order to do that, they had to kind of be all the same stage size. Now the bounding boxes are around just the object, and that makes it easier and more intuitive to work with. If you didn't notice before, the little colors around these boxes match the little handles. So you can see here that if I click on this, for example, I have the green. If I click on this one, kind of the tan, or I don't know, whatever that color is. So anyways, I want to get rid of that one. So I'm going to go ahead and come back here, delete that. And I'm just going to now add some text. Let's call it free gift. And you see here that I'm starting as a single text block. But I'm going to want to have those separate. So first I'm going to kind of size it about what I think it's going to be. Now I can go to break apart, and you see here it's context sensitive. So now I can go ahead and tell it to break apart words, and it's going to do that. And now I can go ahead and rotate these things. Now I can select these and rotate them together to get them to kind of rotate in the same exact kind of angle if I want to. And then I can position them separately. I could also size them together if I wanted to get them to proportionally size. I just shift selected them and get those into position. However I like. Notice that I could, this is got right now. This is here. Let's go. You can see that I can go ahead and drag this to get it to go below that kind of little part of the ribbon there, kind of to be similar to what it was originally. And I can, very quickly and easily, I can get this to be kind of, its own unique thing with my own unique text. Come back here to the preset, apply it again, and boom, I'm ready to go. So it's very quick and easy. It was a lot longer for me to describe it than to actually do it. So you can quickly make animations like this very quick and easy with your own text now using Easy Animator Pro version 1.7 and the new break apart feature.